Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE T10, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now if you can't find it, you could just use a paper clip, chain one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, I can proceed to the next step, which I guess if you have a case, you want to take it off. From there, on the top side of the device, if we're looking, well, where the camera is, the selfie cam, you'll have a SIM/SD tray. It's literally like right next to your camera. So grab the tool, insert it into the tiny little pinhole right there, push it in, and as you can see, the tray pops out. From here we can just grab it, take it out, and on the tray we have space for a SIM card and a SD card. I'm going to occupy both of them. Now one thing to keep in mind, it looks like the SD card can double as a secondary SIM tray. So I'm going to test that out just to be certain, and yep, it can. So you can use two different SIM cards in this tablet for some reason. Now when placing the cards on the tray, just make sure that they're laying flush on it. Just kind of showcase what I mean. So they shouldn't be protruding in any kind of way. Now make sure you don't bump the tray when inserting it. As you can see, the cards are just not being held by anything apart from just gravity. So yeah. So carefully insert it into the device. And I can already see that the SD card came out of the tray, even though I was very careful. You can see that it is kind of popping out. So if something like that happens, if the tray isn't going out in there, don't force it. Just pull it out just a little bit. The card just settled back in place, and then insert it back. Now once you insert the cards, they should start working right away. As you can see, I do have a pin for my SIM card, so I'll need to confirm that to unlock it. And once I do so, the SIM card is obviously working. And in terms of SD card, I do have a pop-up right here telling me that it did detect SD card and I can set it up. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.